Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So guys, as you all know, we have begun with the series of modal auxiliaries. I hope you must have watched the previous videos. So today we are going to learn the most important modal auxiliaries which is used in our day-to-day life. That is your have to, has to, had to and will have to. So these modal auxiliaries are talking about the actions which will happen in present, past and future mandatory, whether you like it or you do not like it. So the rule to use have to is same as perfect tense, like I, we, you, they, subject we use have to, and has to, he, she, it, name of the person, has to. Now talking about have to means the action compulsory. हिंदी में मुझे करना पड़ता है, has to उसे करना पड़ता है, had to मुझे करना पड़ता था, will have to मुझे कल से करना पड़ेगा. That is your present, past and future. Now let us make it more easy by understanding through examples. So have to and has to. I have to get up early morning every day. My mother has to get up early morning every day. Had to, I had to wake up early morning when I in my school times, but now I don't have to. I had to complete all my home chores before coming to office, but now I don't have to. And will have to, I have joined a gym, so from tomorrow I will have to wake up early. So guys, these are the actions. Now only one thing what you have to remember is, if you have subject and then have to, has to, had to or will have to, so the main verb is going to be V1. So guys, keep learning and enjoying the videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for 5,000 views. Bye bye for now.